Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maktab-E-Hind. Let's learn with fun. Anjuman Islam's VM and DM PM Urdu Primary School Semi-English 25 Bun Garden Road Pune 1 presents Subject English Unit number 5 At the Bottom of the Ocean, created by Naziya Shaikh. At the bottom of the ocean, listen carefully and read with me. गौर से सुनिए और मेरे साथ साथ दोहराइए. What is there under the sea? The sea is very deep. There are many plants and animals in the sea. Some of them are very small. We cannot see them with our eyes. There are fishes, turtles, and many strange and beautiful animals in the sea. The largest of all animals is the blue whale. It lives in the sea. There are many different types of plants in the sea. In some places, there are so many that it is like an underwater forest. A very big sea is called an ocean. If we go deep down in the ocean, there is no sunlight. It is dark and quiet. The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. The ocean floor is not flat. Just as we see mountains and valleys and plains on land, there are mountains and plains and also deep trenches in the ocean floor. When the top of such a mountain rises out of ocean water, it forms an island. You can see these things in the picture below. Look in this picture, we see this is ocean, this is ocean water, we see green land, see this is called plains, this is called trench, these are mountains, this is the topmost portion is island. Let's learn new words and meanings in Urdu. Ocean यानी समंदर. Ocean water यानी समंदर का पानी. Land जमीन. Island यानी जजीरा. Plains यानी हमवार जमीन, मैदानी इलाका. Mountains पहाड़. Trench खंदक. Now let's see the activity. Draw a picture of the sky and write the names of the thing you show in the picture. आपने स्काई का पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है और उसमें आपको जो जो चीजें नजर आती है वो उस पिक्चर में आपने बतलाना है. I hope you enjoyed the video. So like the video, share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Maktab-E-Hind. Thanks for watching.